Good morning, students. Today we study the new chapter, chapter 4, division. What is division? Division means the repeated subtraction. In smaller class you already studied how to repeated subtraction. First listen here. Then 48 divided by 8 in repeated subtraction. First we understand 48 minus 8, 0, 40, again minus 8, 2, 32, again minus 8, 24, again minus 8, 16, again minus 8, 8, again minus 8, then 0. Up to 0, you continue this process. This is called repeated subtraction. How many times we subtract this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many times we repeated? 6 times. Therefore, 48 divided by 8 is equal to 6. This is the long method. Therefore, we write in short method. (325) divided by 6. Okay. First we divide this type. Then 325. Then 6. Then first you look, 6 is greater, you start with in bigger place. Here, 1 times 100 place you start here. Then your number is in 4-digit number, you start with 1000 place. Your number is in 5-digit number, you start with 10,000 place. Okay. Now our number is 100. We start with in 100 place. Okay. Then 6 is greater, 3 is greater. Which is greater? 6 greater. Therefore, the next digit we take. We take this 32. Okay. Then the table of sets, how many times go in 32? Say the table of sets. 6 1 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12, 6 5 ja 30. How many times? 5 times. 30. Then subtract. Then 0 subtracted from 2. 0 take away from 2. You take 2. Then 0. Then 5 come in downside. Okay. 5 you come in downside. Now our number is 25. The table of sets, how many times come in 25? Then how many times come in 25? Then 4 times. 6 4 ja 24. Then subtract. Then 5 take away from 4 take away from 5. We get 1, then 0. Then this being divided is called, this number is called dividend. Then by which we divide is called divisor. Then the result is called quotient. Then the remaining, the left number is called remainder.
Okay.
This being divided is called dividend. Therefore, our dividend is 325. By which we divide is called divisor. Our divisor is 6. The result, the answer is called quotient, that is 54. Then remaining, the left, the remaining is called remainder. Then we get a formula. Here we get a formula. Dividend is equal to divisor multiply, dividend is equal to divisor multiply quotient plus remainder. Understand our question. What is our divisor? 6. Multiply our quotient 54. 54 plus our remainder 1. Yes. Now we multiply these two. 54 multiply 6. Then plus 1. Then our answer is 325. Which is our question? 325. Understand? This is the check also. This is our check. Then properties of division. First, divide by 1. Any number we divide by 1, the result is the number itself. Any number we divide by 1, the result is the number itself. The result is the number itself. For example, 725 divided by 1 is equal to 725. Understand? Then divide by the number itself. Divide by the number itself. Then we divide by the number itself. The result is 1. 1 is the result. We divide by a number itself. The result is 1. The result is 1. For example, 24 divided by 24 is equal to 1. Understand? 6 divided by 6, 1. 1 lakh divided by 1 lakh, 1. Okay? Then divide by 0. 0 divided by any number. 0 divided by any number. The result is 0. 0 divided by any number. The result is 0. Understand? All students. Then division by 10, 10, 100, 1000 and 10,000 and so on. Division by 10, 100, 1000 and 10,000, lakh, so on. We divide by 10. We divide by 10. We remove one digit from the right hand side of the number. Again, we divide by 10. We remove one digit from the right hand side of the number. For example, 4378 divided by 10. Okay, our question 4378 divided by 10. You don't write this way, you divide in direct. We divide by 10. How many digits remove? 1 digit. From which side? Right hand side of the number. Here. Which side? This is our right hand side. Then how many digits remove? 1 digit. This remove. This. Understand? Then your quotient is, your remove number is your remainder, left number is your quotient. Understand? Our quotient is equal to 437, remainder is equal to 8. Then this question I will divide 4378 divide by 10. Listen here. How many times gone? 4 times 40, then 3, 0, then 7 coming downside. How many times? 3 times 30, then 7, then 8 also coming downside. 7 times 70, then minus 8. Your quotient is here, quotient is 437, remainder is 8. Okay, here also look here, here also our quotient is 437, our remainder is 8. This is the easy method, yes or no? Yes. Understand all students? Now divide by 100. Divide by 100. We divide by 100. We remove 2 digits from the right hand side of the number. We remove how many digits? 2 digits. For example, 5745 divide by 100. We divide by 100. How many digits we remove? 2 digits from the right hand side of the number. 5745. How many digits? 2 digits. This 2. Okay. This going remainder. This left this number quotient. Our quotient is equal to 57. Our remainder is equal to 45. Understand? Then you say we divide by 1000. How many digits we remove? How many digits? 3. Okay. We divide by 1000. How many digits we remove? 3 digits we remove. From which side? Right hand side of the number. Here 5745. Then how many we divide by 1000? How many digits we remove? 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. This go. This point remainder. This. What this? Quotient. Then quotient is equal to 5. Remainder is equal to 745. Understand? Again we divide by 10. How many digits we remove? We remove 1 digit from the right hand side of the number. Then again we divide by 100. 2 digit remove from the right hand side of the number. Again divide by 1000. We divide by 1000. 3 digit remove from the right hand side of the number. Okay. Understand the facts of a division? All students? Okay. I give some homework, you do. Okay? Thank you.